Look, if you're looking for a webcam and you ain't got that much bread to spend, this is the one to get. Trust me. It's 4K, it's small, it looks good, it's budget friendly, and you're looking at it right now. I'm telling you, this is fire. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Reshoot Films, where I teach filmmaking tips, Unreal Engine, and also do product reviews that help support all of those topics. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe today. Now, they sent this out for me to review, but all my words and my thoughts are my own, and that's just what it is. So let's get into it. Osbot did it again. They sent me out the Meet 2. Now, it's not new, but it might be new for you. I'm always doing them bars. I got bars, I'm telling you. But anyway, yo, check it out. I'm just tripping because this thing is so small that you would never think that it can create this quality. Right now, you're watching me right now on this small little 4K webcam, and look at it. I mean, I keep looking at myself in the monitor because I'm tripping. You feel me? Like, it looks really good. Now, Prime for Amazon is around the corner, so Osbot's gonna launch a big discounted exclusive code, okay, giving you 20% off in their spring sale. So you don't want to miss that. Let's get into some of the specs and features of this webcam. Now, as I stated, this is the Meet 2 4K webcam for PC. It has AI framing, autofocus, beauty mode. It's lightweight. It has gesture controls, HDR, dual microphone, 60 FPS also for streaming, meeting, whatever you want to do, content creating just like this, you can definitely do it with this cam. Now, they come in 3 colors, green, white, and gray. And this little thing has a maximum aperture of 1.8. That's pretty dope. And it only weighs 40.5 grams. Now, what's in the box is obviously the Meet 2 camera, and you also have a dope magnetic type of stand. And this stand not only can just go on your desk, but it can also go on your monitor. It doesn't do it for mine, but I guess it does it for most monitors, just not mine. And you also get a USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and you get a dope privacy cover, but I lost mine, so if I didn't tell you, you would never know I shot this on a 4K webcam this small. And you got to get this one. They got another version that's just 1080. Get the 4K one, all right? But anyway, look, this thing is dope. And what I also love about this thing is it has the Osbot Center. You need to download the Osbot Center app, because it gives you more control. And I'm gonna show you that right now. Right now, I'm in it right here. There you go. This is the Osbot Center right here. As you see, it has all your console controls, your images right here, your white balance, your temperature, your contrast, saturation, hue, sharpness. You got your microphone levels, your status, everything. It gives you everything that you need. This is where I really like is the beauty section here. Now, you have retouch, all right? And retouch is just pretty much just some filters, and you can change the tones and do all of that stuff. I'm gonna leave that alone. And then you have filters here, you know, black and white, all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna leave that alone. My favorite one that I use is usually blur, okay? I'm gonna turn it off and you're gonna see. If you look at the background a little bit, it's a little less blurry, and when I turn it on, it gets a little more. Now, you can make that extreme if you want, see? I wouldn't do that because it starts looking bad, okay? It just does. But I would say the safe place, it would be 2. The safe place is 2, all right? So that's with it, without it, I mean, and that's with it. Just gives it a little extra blur, but I leave that on for that. So this, you know, that gives you all your controls. And this here is the actual internal recorder that it has. And I feel like sometimes you can use this for OBS or whatever you want to record it on. If I can, I like to record it within the software because it just, I don't know, it just works very good. You have down here, if you look down here, you have your mic mixing. As you see on the side, you see in the levels right here. You can control all of that stuff. You got all this stuff here. You over here, you got the 4K 30. I'm recording at 4K 30. You can record this at 4K 60. I mean, look at the image, like for real though. Like, This is it's just dope, man. Anyway, and you got gesture controls, which is pretty dope. I don't use them all the time, but they're there. Right now, let's do a gesture control for zooming. Now, to zoom, you do this, and then it's gonna zoom. Now, you can control right here, if you look at it, how much it's gonna zoom. So you can go even further if you wanted to. You know what I mean? And that's pretty good if you think about it, the zoom. But I don't like it to go that much, so I leave it at around there. And then when you want it to, you go back, and it'll go back, okay? And then if you want to do the other gesture, is you go like this. It's gonna turn purple, and then it's gonna follow, and it's gonna follow you. See what I'm saying? So it's basically trying to act like a PTZ camera, and within the sensor, it's just kind of cropping in the sensor and stuff. Oh, see, I just did that gesture. Anyway, let me take that off. All right, that's gonna go back to regular. And see, you got autofocus here. You got the face autofocus, the shutter speed, your ISO. I mean, it has everything. You know what I mean? So you good with this, trust me. Okay, so now I just pushed the mic out the way. Now you're listening to the Osbot with the internal microphones that it has built in. This is what that sounds like. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I mean, it's not bad for being so small, but I would still say use your real microphone. I mean, look how close it can get. Right now, I'm holding it in my hands, and I'm just talking to you, and it looks good, man. Like, this is crazy, man. This is dope. I mean, there's no denying the quality that Osbot offers for the price. You just can't beat it. Are there any cons for this? I can't see the cons for this at all. It's a great system. What could make it better? I would say internal recording and an internal battery. That would be dope, because then you don't have to hook it up to nothing. You know what I'm saying? So look, the link is going to be in the description below. Get it. You know what I'm saying? No extra cost to you. Just use the link and help support the channel a little bit. Other than that, subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out.